Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be an unboxing slash what fits inside my new phone holder. So I purchased this item with my sales associate last week, maybe a week and a half ago, and today I finally had an opportunity to stop by the mall to actually pick it up. So one of the items that I purchased was the Oblique phone holder. Most boutiques have the Lady Dior foam holder, which I'll insert a picture here. But the one that I end up purchasing is the Oblique foam holder. I really do like the Oblique. I like the pattern on it, so that's the one that I was looking for. And it was kind of difficult to get it because they were showing the only person that had it was in Hawaii. But she ended up getting some in, and she called me and we just kind of put it to the side, and I went and picked it up today. But I really do like it. It comes with a two-way zipper closure, which I think is very, very handy. So you can open from like either side. It comes with 3 card slots, so you can be able to put like your credit cards inside if you're not going to have like a wallet or anything like that. Another thing that it comes with the leather handle. So a leather handle in the back of the holder, so you can carry it by hand on your wrist. So it's really good, just like a little grab and go type pouch holder if you like. Most likely I probably won't carry it like that, but I will leave the leather handle on. I most likely will use the removable chain that it comes with. This was like a really big thing for me when I saw that it came with a removable chain. I'm like, yes, it's perfect for me because mostly I don't really carry that much stuff, so I really didn't need. I don't really like really big bags or medium-sized bags because I don't really carry that many items. So when I saw this, I was just like, yeah, this is like perfect. It's right up like my avenue. So this is the chain up close. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looked like a little bit up close, so you can see both the leather strap and you can keep the reversible chain on it, or you can just take it off. It just really depends on what you see fit. So for part 2 of what fits inside my Dior Oblique foam holder. So one of the main reasons why I purchased the foam holders because I don't really carry that many items with me. So I would always just kind of recommend that if you're gonna purchase this, you're not gonna be able to carry that many items inside. So you're very limited. So that's just my disclaimer. Um, so one of the biggest things that I got is because I really wanted my 2 foams to fit. So I have a work foam and then I have a personal foam. So I always want to make sure that those fit and they fit perfect inside, which is great for me. Another thing is you have the 3 card slots. So most of the time I will utilize this more than I'll utilize anything. And then I just kind of threw this little Christian Dior flat card holder that I have for my travel kit. Stuck that in there. It fits perfectly. But if you were trying to, switch it around, I just kind of threw in like my little card holder. I put in my foam. And then also, I would recommend you probably can put like a lip gloss or lip chap or like a little small lotion in there. I kind of stuck a little perfume I had in there, but you're probably gonna have to maneuver a little bit to kind of get it perfect in there. But I think it'll fit, perfect. So yeah, I would definitely, recommend it if you guys are looking for a little small travel, little wallet to get you going. Yeah, so I just wanted to upload this video and show you guys my new purchase. If you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.